workshop's corner, the filament spins. The hot end growls like a tank with lungs of tin. Layer by layer, the German beast is born. SLT Elefant from the bench to the platform. More than 100 parts and a build from hell. Assembly's a sport, and I know it well. With sandpaper ready and Klala in flight, this war is real, though no one fights. There it rolls on wheels of filament, SLT 50, pure monument. At 1 to 18, it's a plastic titan, slower than Monday, but damn, it's exciting. Had to pause the print at 3 a.m. The nozzle was jammed, I cursed again. I sliced it with care in the slicer's hell, but forgot the front supports as well. Under LED lights with an artist's stare, I primed it all like a wizard of air.